Alright, I'll do a quick video on this little buddy 3800 BTU Mr. Heater. I do have the little propane tank. I have a bunch of these. I have one of the bigger little buddies. I have it at work. I am using it in a semi that doesn't have heat right now. But these things work great. Indoor safe, propane heater. Does have the life safety system. So tip over, shut down. Protect against flames. On my other little buddy heater, I did disable the tip over shutdown just since it's in a vehicle and I use it a lot. This is supposed to heat up to the 95 square feet. It says it runs about 5.6 hours on a 1 pound. I'd say that's more like 4 hours, 3 to 4. No electricity required. High efficient. It works really good. Produces a heat. So I'll open this up for you guys and kind of give you a quick rundown on it, set up, and show you what's in the box. Alright, so in the box, got it opened. Here's the instruction manual and quick set guide. Here is the top, right here. There is the ceramic tiles. There's where you screw it on at. Push to ignite, right here. Push to ignite pilot. After lit, hold for 30 seconds. Release to start heater. And here is the off button right there. Also, little safe lighting, operating, and shutdown instructions. Here is the base for the propane tanks to sit in. Nice little sturdy base. Alright, so this guy right here, he gets screwed onto this little propane tank. So I'll go ahead and do that. And you do screw them clockwise. So it's kind of hard to do with just the one hand, so give me 1 second. Alright, now that I have it screwed down on here, you can go ahead and ignite it. Push to ignite pilot. There is the pilot. It is ignited. Now it is starting up. You can kind of see the flame. Kind of a fixed position. It is getting warm. I guess it's too sunny to see if it's red or not. Then to turn it off, you just hit that off button right there and it kills that pilot. It is off. So that is the Mr. Heater Little Buddy 3800 BTU heater. Great little things. I have the bigger version also. I've used them in Kubotas, sealed Kubotas at the rail yard, and right now on a grain semi I'm using it. I picked up this little guy on low, I'd say, and last probably good 5 hours with the little propane tank for the bigger ones. These smaller ones, I've used them before. I have not taken one of these apart though to undo the tip sensor. The bigger ones are easier to undo the tip sensor. I'll have to find a YouTube video, and it's more of a pain undoing the tip sensor on these though. But if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Usually have cool little products. Also, I post about every single train that we do at the rail, at the co-op rail. So let me know if you have any questions. Here's a video of it running in my garage. Also forgot to mention, with these, you gotta hold that button down. The first time it started right off. Second time, you do have to hold it down for 30 seconds-ish. I counted just to 30 to get it to go. Nice warm heat, especially heat up above. It's good enough. It's 50-degree day. I don't even need it, but have the kids in here, so figured I'd warm up the garage some. A great little buddy heater.